How to turn on or turn off video autoplay on Twitter app. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage the video autoplay option on Twitter app. So first thing, go to Twitter and go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, then go down and click on settings and privacy right here. Then all what you have to do is go down and click on accessibility, display and language. And here choose the first one, it's accessibility, and you will find the video autoplay option right here. Click on it and choose Wi-Fi and mobile data, or Wi-Fi only, or never. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.